How to use Shopify for a hair salon. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for a hair salon. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify in where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for a hair salon? Well, Shopify allows you to promote your services in one place and of course manage everything online. So it has features like checking out your analytics, making discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our service. So to do that, just go to products over here, add product, and then from here what you want to do is to just add in the name of your service. So for example, I'll do haircuts, and then after that just input the description of your service right here, or you can just simply use Shopify's AI. For me, I'll just use Shopify's AI, click on generate, and then there you go. So you can either keep this or generate again. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here, what you want to do is to just upload an image of your service. So for example, I'll be using this image over here. So I'll just go back to Shopify and simply upload it. And then there you go. So while it's uploading, you can also upload more just by clicking on this plus button right here. Next is we have categories. So in here, just input the category of your service. So just input it here, but usually Shopify does that automatically when you input the name, the description, and the media of your service. So yeah. Next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your service. So for example, I'll just set mine to 200. Next is inventory. So in here, you really don't need to do this since we are not selling physical products. So just leave the track quantity box here unticked. Same goes with shipping. So since again we are not selling physical products, just untick this box over here. And then we also have variants over here. So in here you can add variants for your service. So Shopify has some pre-made variants right here that you can choose, or you can create a custom one if you want to. So for example, I'll use this one over here, target gender. I'll just click on it and then just add your target genders over here. So I'll add male, female, and then there you go. Click on done, and then there you go. You can also set different price ranges for your variants right here. So feel free to customize this section out. Next is category meta field. So just input your category meta fields right here. And then we have search engine listing. So this is what your service will look like if someone searches it up online. And at the very top over here, you can also set the status of your service as active or draft. And then we have product organization. So in here, just input your product type. So I'll just put services as product type. Choose your vendor. You can also add this to your collections. I'll just add this to my homepage. And then tags. So again, I'll just add services. There you go. And lastly, haircut. And then there you go. So once you're done customizing your service, just click on save to save your changes. And then there you go. Our service has been made. So I'll be adding 2 more services right here. So I'll be adding hair coloring and hair treatment. So again, to add a new service, just click on add product over here on the right. And then just redo the steps that you did a while ago with your previous services. So yeah, and then there you go. So I already added them. So I added hair coloring and hair treatment. So next, what we're going to do now is to download an app so that we can allow our customers that will visit our website to book dates for our services. So to do that, what you want to do is just go to apps right here. Go to all recommended apps and then just simply click on the Shopify App Store right here. And then after that, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store. So once you're here, just search Appointly. And then after that, what you want to do is to just download this app over here, appointment booking app. So just install this. So after installing it, just open it up. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the setup page for Appointly. So what you want to do is just go to services over here. Click on add new service, and then what you want to enter here is the services that you've made a while ago in here in the products section. So again, I'll just add haircuts. There you go. Let's add a new one, hair coloring. There you go. And then lastly, hair treatment. And then there you go. So once you're done adding these products, they will now be made to services. And after that, customers that will buy this product or service will allow them to book dates for that specific service. So next, what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So to do that, just go to online store over here. And after that, you'll be redirected here in the themes page of your Shopify store. So in here, you can use the default theme, which is Dawn. Or if you scroll at the bottom, there are also some other themes right here that you can choose. So yeah, so if you want to use these themes right here, just click on add. And then after that, this theme will now be applied to your website. But if you want to explore more themes, just click on visit theme store over here. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the theme store of Shopify. So in here, you can choose any theme you want. And then on the left side, you can also filter out the themes that you want to use based on this industry, catalog size, features, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. But for me, I'll just stick with the default theme of Shopify, which is again Dawn. So I'll just click on customize right here, and after that we'll be redirected here in the website editor for Shopify. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to customize our sections. So usually a section is covered around by these blue lines right here, and you'll also see its name right here at the top left corner. So as you can see, this section that I am hovering on right now is an image banner. So when I click on this section right here, as you can see in the right side, we can now start customizing this section. So you can add images, change the color scheme, and add animation. So feel free to customize your sections out. But for me, I'll just replace the image of this section right here. So I'll just click on select image, and after that I'll just select my image right here. So for example, I'll select this image right here, click on done, and then there you go. That image will now be applied to your store. And let's also try to change the header or text over here. So yeah, I'll just change it to welcome to my parlor, or hair salon, I mean. Welcome to my hair salon, and then there you go. And at the very bottom over here, you can also edit out some other sections right here. You can also add sections. So to do that, just go to the left side over here, go to template, and then just simply click on add section, and then just choose what kind of section you want to add. You can add featured product collection, featured product, multi-row, video, email sign up, and a lot more. So feel free to choose your section. So for me, I'll just choose featured product, and after that, there you go. It is now added. So just click on the section that I want to edit again, and then just edit out the settings right here in the right side. So first, I'll just select my product. So for example, I'll select haircut. There you go. You can also change the color scheme if you want to, and a lot more. So again, feel free to customize your services out. I'll also add another one over here. Let's say I want to promote hair treatment, and then there you go. So if you want to edit some other pages of your store, just click on this button right here, and then you can now start editing your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. So once you're done customizing your website, just simply click on save, and after that you can now exit out of here, and now you can now view your store. So let's just exit out of here. So to view your store, just simply click on these three dots right here, click on preview, and then after that you'll be redirected to your website. So for example, when I select this service that I have promoted, I'll just click on view details right here, and then as you can see, it will allow us to schedule our time over here instead of adding it to our cart. So yeah, so when your customer clicks on schedule your time over here, your customer can set dates and a specific time for them to avail this service. So yeah, so next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all the reports related to your website. You can also create custom reports right here in the top right corner. Next is we have live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you'll get to see your visitors right now, total sales, total sessions, total orders, and a lot more. So again, feel free to check this section out. And then lastly, we have discounts. So in here, you can create discounts for your services. So to add a discount, just simply click on add discount right here. And after that, just select your discount type. So you can choose amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of order, or free shipping. So feel free to choose your discount type. So for me, I'll just select amount of order, and after that we'll be redirected here. So first, just choose your method. So you can choose discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code, and then after that, just input your discount code over here, or you can generate a random one right here. So for me, I'll just generate a random one. Next is discount value. So just set your discount value over here. So you can set it as percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just leave it at percentage and set it as 5%. And after that, there are also some settings right here that you can customize for your discount, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, we have active dates. So in here, you can set start dates and end dates for your discount. So just input your dates over here, and of course, their start time and their end time. So once you're done customizing your discount, just simply click on save discount, and after that, your discount has now been created. And at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for your hair salon. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.